Hello everyone. This is the next part of chapter 2, types of hardware. Input devices. Input devices is any hardware device that sends data to a computer. You know very well how we can send data to the computer with the help of mouse, keyboard, touch screen, etc. So it allows us to interact and control it. Examples of input devices include keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital camera, joysticks and microphones. You can see here there are some pictures of input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, mic, barcode reader, stylus, web camera, touchpads, touchscreen, fingerprint reader. So first of all we'll study about keyboard. Keyboard, you know very well, it is most popular input device, and with the help of keyboard we can input data into the computer, and its layout is very much similar to the traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys. So we'll study about keys now. So alphanumeric keys are there. That means we can type capital A to Z, capital and small a to Z. That means letters, digits 0 to 9, which generally give the same layout as that of typewriter. Then numeric keypad. It is used to enter numeric data or cursor movement also. Generally it consists of a set of 17 keys that are laid out in the same configuration used by the most adding machines and calculator. It is at the right side of the keyboard. Now function keys are 12 and which are arranged in a row at the top of the keyboard, and every function key has a unique meaning and is used for some specific purpose. Then control keys. These keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes 4 directional arrow keys. Control keys also include home, end, insert, delete, page up, page down, control, alter, alt, escape, etc. keys. Then special purpose keys are there. So keyboard also contains some special purpose keys such as enter, shift, caps lock, num lock, spacebar, tab and print screen. So this is the diagram of keyboard. You can see at the top these are function keys, 12 function keys. Then escape key is there, control key, window key, alt key, again alt key, window key and control key. This is the right menu key. These are directional keys. These are navigation and editing keys like page up, page down, home, end, insert, delete, etc. This is numeric keypad. Mouse. Mouse is most popular pointing device. It is a very famous cursor controller device, having a small palm-sized box with a round ball at its base, which senses the movement of the mouse and sends corresponding signals to the CPU when the mouse buttons are pressed. But nowadays optical mouse are also used. Apart from that, the mouse can be wired or wireless. So mouse has 2 buttons, left and the right. A wheel is present between the button. If we have to scroll the page, we can use it. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen, but it cannot be used to enter text into the computer. Microphone. Microphone is also input device. It converts sounds into the digital form. So when we speak into the mouse, the sound will be then sent inside the CPU in digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Scanner. It is an electronic device. It scans printed or handwritten text, document, images and convert them into digital format. There are 3 types of scanners: portable scanner, flatbed scanners and drum scanners. So portable scanner is very small and can be held in hand. So you can see the picture. They are designed to capture the text and other data. The flatbed are some of the most commonly used scanners. Okay, it can be used in home as well as office, and it scans the document, and it has a mechanism that rolls under the document to obtain the image. For businesses that have a need for high processing abilities, the flatbed scanner can scan any number of documents with a click of a button. Now drum scanners, this is drum scanner printer, are used mainly for capturing a picture and producing at a very high resolution rate. So there are only few companies that make these scanners, considering the high cost of producing a scanner such as this one. And this one, this is flatbed scanner. Concept keyboard. It relies on touch sensitive screen with the key or overlay displayed on the screen. You can see this is concept keyboard. If we go to fast food restaurant like McDonald's and all, and then pizza shop, etc., the assistant will normally be using a concept keyboard. So pictures and icons can replace words and means that assistant can quickly enter the order without having to use a keyboard, which would become dirty and unhygienic. Touch screen. You can see this is touch screen. So it is a computer display screen that serves as an input device. So a touch screen may contain pictures or words that the user can touch by a finger or stylus to interact with the device. So these days mobile phones, even laptops, then LCDs are having touch screen. Barcode reader, you might have seen this in the shop. So it is a device used for reading the barcoded data. This data in the form of light and dark lines. So it is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. It may be handheld scanner or may be embedded in a stationary scanner. It scans a barcode image, this is barcode image, and convert it into the alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer that the barcode reader is connected to. Magnetic strip reader. So magnetic strip reader is a hardware device that reads the information encoded in the magnetic strip located on the back of a plastic card, like credit card, debit cards, then some shopping cards are also there. So they have magnetic strip at the back of the card, and this is magnetic strip reader which will read the data from the card. So magnetic strip reader is an input device. Optical mark reader, OMR. You might have heard this name. So OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of a few alternatives is to be selected and marked. It is specially used for checking the answer sheets of examinations having multiple choice questions. So this is OMR machine. Now OCR, optical character reader. The device is shown here. It is input device used to read a printed text. OCR scans the text optically, character by character, converts them into machine readable code and store the text on the system memory. Magnetic ink character reader, mica. So mica is an input device, is generally used in banks as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank code number and the check number are printed on the checks with a special type of ink that contain particle of magnetic material that are machine readable. So these days banks are mostly using mica checks so that those checks can be easily read by magnetic ink character reader. So this reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition, and the main advantage of a micer is that it is fast and less error prone. Light pen. You might have already seen light pen. So light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It is used to display a menu item or draw a picture on the monitor screen. It consists of photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. So when the tip of the light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. So these light pen, it can be wired or it can be wireless also. Now output devices. We have studied about input device. Now it is third type of device which is connected with CPU. I told you about storage devices earlier. Just now we have studied input devices, and now we will study output device. So the output device produces the output in user readable form after processing it. The basic output device we know is monitor. The output for the result of processing can be in multiple formats like display, sound, projection, etc. Okay, so to display we can use monitor, to hear the sound we can use speakers, for the projection we can use projector. Here there are some output devices. You can see this is projector, speaker, CRT, then it is printer, this is plotter and LCD. Monitor. Most people use monitor daily at work and at home. So these come in variety of shapes and designs and colors. They can also be broadly categorized into three types. So one by one we will study about monitors now. So first type of monitor is CRT, cathode ray tube monitor. So these monitors are based on CRT technology, which was used earlier a lot in manufacturing of television screens. With these monitors, a stream of intense high energy electron is used to form images on the fluorescent screen. Okay, means behind this screen there is an emission of high energy electron which strike on the screen and it forms an image on a fluorescent screen. So cathode ray tube is basically a vacuum tube containing an electron gun. Okay, so electron gun is there which will emit high energy electrons at one end and then fluorescent screen at another end. So while CRT monitors can still be found in some organizations, many offices have stopped using them largely because they are heavy, bulky, costly to replace should they break. Now, while they are still in use, as these monitors are cheaper, lighter and more reliable monitors. LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD monitor consists of a layer of color or monochrome pixels arranged systematically between a couple of transparent electrodes and two polarizing filters. Optical effect is made possible by polarizing the light in the varied amounts and making it pass through the liquid crystal layer. So TFT is there, thin film transistor. It is a variant of LCD. It generates better picture quality and is more secure and reliable. Advantage of LCD is that their compact size which makes them lightweight. And they also don't consume much electricity and can be run off of batteries, which makes them ideal for laptops. Now plasma monitors. So plasma display is a computer video display in which each pixel on the screen is illuminated by tiny bit of plasma, or we can say charged gas, somewhat like a tiny neon light. So plasma displays are thinner than CRT and brighter than liquid crystal display, that means LCD. Touchscreen monitor. Touchscreen is a computer display screen that is also an input device. The screens are sensitive to pressure and the user interacts with the computer by touching pictures or words on the screen. OLED, organic light emitting display. It is a display technology that offers bright colorful images with a wide viewing angles, low power, high contrast ratio and fast response time for sports and action movies. It is extremely versatile and can be transparent and can react to sunlight. And color, speed, thinness, transparency and flexibility make it the display technology of the 21st century. Now we'll study about printers. Printers are output device which gives us output in the form of hard copy. That is printing images and text on the paper. Okay, so here we can see the printer are of two types, impact printer and non-impact printer. Then impact printer examples are daisy wheel and dot matrix printer. And non-impact printer examples are inkjet, thermal and laser. So this is the picture of impact printer and this is non-impact printer. So let's study the difference between impact and non-impact printers. So in impact printer, it print characters or images by striking print hammer or wheel against an inked ribbon. Okay. And in non-impact, it prints characters and images without striking the paper. In impact printer, the speed is slower. Non-impact printers have good speed, they are faster. Impact printers printing quality is lower. And in non-impact printer, printing quality is good. This impact printer normally uses continuous paper sheet and non-impact printer uses individual paper sheet, and it generates noise during printing, and non-impact printer does not generate noise during printing. Impact printer uses inked ribbon for printing and non-impact printers are using toner or cartridge for printing. Now it is less expensive and non-impact printers are expensive. Speakers are another type of output device. It converts electronic signals into audio that we can listen. Plotters. Plotters are also output device. It is similar to printer and this hardware helps to print wide format materials like banners, brochures, pamphlets, etc. And it is a wide size printer. Now these plotters are of two types, pen plotter and photo plotter. So diagram is given. This is pen plotter. It uses pen to print something on the paper. So it is mechanical device and a pen is moved in two dimensions, up down and left right, across a paper or film media to create the output. These are photo plotters. So photo plotter, it uses fiber optic technology to produce the image on paper. Projectors. Projectors, you might have watched a movie on movie theaters. The movie is projected to the big white screen by projector and it helps in the projection of video, image or any graphical content to the wall. So these projectors can be connected to the PC through HDMI or VGA cable. Okay student, this chapter is over. Thank you and have a nice day.